Hello friend, in this video see about the Samsung A55 5G unboxing.
Galaxy A55 is finally here, so let's check it out. I got mine in ice blue and 8GB and 128GB of storage version. So let's open it up first. Okay, so in the packaging we got the phone itself wrapped in paper packaging like this, then also the box with gas manual and also your SIM card tool, as well as your charger cable here as well. So it uses Type-C charger cable, however it doesn't have a power adapter, only this. Okay, and the phone itself in the paper packaging here. So quite a huge phone actually. So this is a ice blue version, and it actually looks pretty much like white. It doesn't look blue on the sides, maybe it looks bluish. So we got a full metal body here. It does have some kind of plastic wrapping around it to protect it in shipping, I guess. So have to remove that.
Thank you for watching this video. Link in description full video. Go and watch.